Are y'all gonna go together again? Y'all gonna be paired?
We're doing this again? For real?
All right, I'll go first so I can capture all the falls as you guys come.
Okay.
All right, ready? I see the guy.
Track and then get out of it.
I want to go down over here. Okay.
All right. Looking good, looking good. A new winner. Woo. I'm glad I moved out of the way, but a new winner. That was fun. Okay, who's next? A helicopter. They must know we're here. All right.
My job, yeah.
Claire? Nice, good job. There you go.
Yes! That was better because I knew what to expect.
Yeah.
And the rest didn't fall into me.
Come on, Gray! Come on! Come on!
Oh.
Same as me. You tied second place.
Second, okay.
Yep.
Jeff.
You and I tied for second.
This is the dangerous part. It's going to crash into us.
There you go. Chris. Yeah. Oh, he's got good speed.
Good speed, good speed, good speed, good speed. Yes, yes.
Oh shit! Oh.
I think it's a new winner. Right there. Is that, yeah, that's Chris. New winner.
When I took off, I said, I'm taking that southern freak out.
You got it. By a foot. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Oh.
Close, close.
Yeah, it sort of is a little bit of a math game, but Chris showed us it's not. Oh, there she goes, there she goes.
I actually think it helped that it was a little packed down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, plus I knew what to expect.
Look, put your poles back in the snow, all the way down. Come on, Rob.
Come on, Rob, come on. Yes, yes. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Keep going. A worm turn.
He did the obligatory fall. That's great.
There's Dylan.
Okay, he's got the backpack ready.
All right, come on, Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Dylan, Dylan. New winner. New winner.
All right, you get a beer tonight.
I'm glad you're buying.
I thought that Rando was going to join us. I thought that was pretty fun. Oh, beat the cloud, beat the cloud!
Oh, clouds. Who's coming next? Anybody?
I don't think anybody else is doing
Amy said she might.
Come on, Mindy.
Come on, Mindy!
Come on, Mindy. Nope.
No.
Come on, Amy!
Nope.
Oh, she says no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go. Crash. Woo!
Look at that!
All right.
Good. You didn't have much.
I didn't even touch
Amy, all right. Yeah.
At least fall over.
All right, I couldn't. All right, thanks for cheering.
All right.
Hey, that was high. Pretty high,
Yeah.
that was pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Last minute decision.
Look at Dylan go.
Yeah, that was good. That was
Yeah, I got on GoPro too. Yeah, that's good. He's looking. He looks good.
all right.
And he doesn't get a lot of this. So that's great.
Hey, just say you did it.
All right, I better leave it on because I might fall on the way down.
You might.
I might. There's no.
Woo!
Oh, survived. That was fun, right? Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah! Look at the skis dug in. Look at that.
You alright?
Pull it out there. Can you get it?
I'm fine, but my spurs.
Leave it behind.
Yeah, you don't need it. There you go.
That is deep.
Yeah, you're hooked now, huh?
Let's make sure I captured